Hey, hi there, Abhishek here. Hello, all the future international students out there. Are you ready to transform your study abroad journey with the power of AI? Our free webinar is happening this Thursday at 4 p.m. IST. It's designed especially to help the students to tackle the biggest challenge in the study abroad process. Whether you are stressing over the university application, scholarships, or visa process, this webinar has to cover everything. Let me give you the sneak peek of what you'll discover in this webinar. In the part 1, we'll dive into how our AI tools can simplify the university shortlisting, streamline the visa application, and guide you to increase the perfect SOP for you. Plus, we'll also show you how to prepare the test prep more effectively. Imagine saving hours of your time while ensuring you don't miss the single step in your study abroad journey. In part 2, we'll uncover how AI can boost your chance of securing the scholarships and streamline the entire admission process. You will learn how to make a smarter, more informed decision about where to apply, how to boost your acceptance letter. Finally, in the part 3, we'll explore how you can automate your entire application and the visa process from start to finish using our AI powered food platform. And yes, that include the managing your budget, finding the best universities tailored to your goals, all without the need of extra help. Excited, right? You should be. But wait, there's more. If you are wondering why you should attend this webinar, here is why. Learn how to automate your study abroad journey with AI. Get a step by step strategy to boost your chance of admissions and secure scholarships. Discover the unknown secret to make the entire process really very smoother. Access the tool that turn the stressful task like a visa application into a bridge. There are just a few highlights you can expect in this webinar. Believe me, there are a lot more. Stick with us and you will see how this solution will completely change the way you approach your study abroad journey. So don't miss your chance. We have a limited seats. We are getting a great response from the students like you. So time is running out. This is your opportunity to learn the exact strategy you need to scale your success in the study abroad process. I'm looking forward to see you in our webinar. Simply click the link below to secure your spot. You will receive a free resources including the AI powerful guide to boost your chance of admission and the scholarships. And for all attendees, their exclusive offer of 50% discounts in the subscription to the Study Metro AI platform. So let's start transforming your study abroad journey today. Join our webinar and take the first step toward your success. I can't wait to see you there. So don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity for your future. Register today and I look forward to see you in our Thursday webinar at 4 p.m. IST. Thank you very much and I look forward to seeing you as soon as possible in our webinar. Thank you very much.